All right, what is going on, everybody? We are live. Let's set up, let's send out a live tweet real quick. Let everybody know we're live. What's going on, everybody? Hopefully having a great one. Let's send this out. All right, welcome in, everybody. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let's take a look at everything. Oh, everything's going green a little bit. What's going on? What's going on, everybody? So we're taking a look at the live chart here of Shiba 2 first. What's up, the Johnsons? How you doing, man? Let's take a look at the 24-hour. Marcus, what's up, man? How you doing? Guys, welcome. Michael Mager, what's up, man? Look at all this fluctuation in the 24-hour period, man. A lot of jumps, ups and downs. Not of, but you know, you take it out to the 7-day, a lot of consolidation. Actually, you can see a lot more of that on the 30-day. There you go. So you can see how much we've been consolidating here since, really since, I would say the 22nd of May, right in here. 21st, 22nd of May, we've really been consolidating in this period. Yeah, just everybody's holding steady, waiting for the swap. I think that's it, the Johnsons, really. Just waiting for that news, and I think we're going to get a nice pump, nice breakout. Going to be a long time before, yeah, 50 cents, yeah. Long time. Let's get to 1 cent first, huh? That'd be great. Let's get to 1 cent. But, yeah, I think just a lot of people holding steady. I don't think a lot of people obviously buying right now, but not a lot of people are selling either. It's just been pretty flat. And I've been saying this for a couple weeks, guys. I'm okay with this. I'm definitely okay with this. I'm planning on holding for a while, so I'm okay with this. Swap date. Robert Garcia, welcome, man. Man, I definitely think it's going to be here in June. I would be shocked if it gets, if we get 2 weeks, you know, what's 2 weeks from today? If we get to June 20th before hearing about the release of Shiba Swap from their official source, I'd be shocked. I'd be shocked if it's not out in the next 2 weeks. Bought 23 mil more today, sitting at 73 mil. Nice. Trying to make it 100 mil before it pops off. There you go, Steven. I like it, man. Ricky Ramirez, what's up? Just got in as well. I plan on holding it as well. Nice, man. Yeah, we were talking about earlier on the live stream, how many people in Indonesia have been looking at SHIB lately. You know, Indodax just added SHIB to that's the #1 exchange in Indonesia. You know, I've been making kind of the case for this too. I mean, that's the 4th biggest population in the world, right? When you talk about Indonesia, so a lot of untapped potential there, I believe, especially there in Indonesia. There is a little bit of news out today on some crypto updates as it relates to the United States. We'll go over that in a little bit. I won't get there yet. It's not real big news. We'll go over that in a little bit. But welcome in, everybody that's new. Tori, how you doing? Let's get to 0.001 without people freaking. Yeah, exactly. I agree with you, 100%. 100%. If we can get those likes up, everybody, that would be fantastic. Just smash the like button for me. That would be awesome. Jay, my name, it's really easy too. Just hit the like button. Doesn't hurt anybody. Jay, my name. Hey Zach, do you plan on staking your Shiba in Shiba Swap? Yeah, eventually I do. It's not. If not, what's the plan? No, that's definitely the plan. Jay, my name. Right now, I'm keeping tabs on obviously what Shiba Swap's going to look like, and then when it rolls out, I'm sure there's going to be some more details on that. So there's kind of been, at least from my opinion, kind of some confusion with that. And I don't really feel comfortable one way or another. So I'm just going to hold mine right now on crypto.com. And, you know, when you hold, you don't have to necessarily worry about it immediately. I think eventually it'll work itself out, you know, for my case and anybody else taking that similar position once Shiba Swap comes out, you know. Raza, hey Jay, good to see you. Love from Pakistan. Hey Raza, welcome to the stream, man. Appreciate you coming on. Appreciate it. Welcome in, everybody. Everybody that's new here, welcome back. Anybody old here, welcome back. And anybody new, welcome to the stream. and we're happy to have you join the community. Hello, Lubem. How you doing from Nigeria? I have 22 million Shiba Inu coin. Nice. That's a good number. I have 30 million and holding, so that's kind of where I'm at. I've got 30 mil. Let everybody know in chat, everyone, how much Shiba Inu are you holding? Let everybody know in chat. Finga, I'm old but new. Nice. Nice, Finga. Welcome back, man. Let everybody know in chat how much Shiba Inu you're holding. Let's see where we're at in coin market cap. We were fluctuating at 32, 33. Yeah, okay. Man, we've just been around that 8.5 range for a long time. Can't really shake it, but hey, that's okay. That's okay. Up 2% in the 24-hour period, a little bit over 8% here in the 7-day. I'm cool with that. I'm cool with that. THETA Sim, I've got, okay, 18.6 mil looks like. Nice. Ricky Ramirez has 17 mil. There you go, Ricky. Anthony, what's going on, man? Ann Patterson, how you doing? 22 million. Nice. And you're an avid listener, too, so I appreciate you coming back. Thank you. Michael Magger bought the dip again. Up to 280 million coins. Yeah, it's addicting, isn't it? Buy the dip. Buy the dip. Let her rip. Buy the dip. Let her rip. Finga. Oh, gotcha. 30 mil. Nice. Nice, Finga. Buy the dip. Let her rip. Manuel, what's your take on Theta for the coming week? Man, I'm loving it, Manuel. Taking a lot of questions tonight, too, guys, so pump up those questions in chat. I'll definitely try to get to as many as I can. Any questions out there? Of course, if you want to come right to the top, if you want to surface right to the top, you can do like a super chat, super sticker. But really, the best way to support us right here is just smash the like button, guys, and subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. So, Theta, watching it closely, man. Really want to add Theta, but it's just been doing so well. And I don't want to buy it while it's doing that well. It's up about 35% in the 7-day. When we started first looking at this, when we started first looking at this closely, at least here on the stream, it was at 650. Since then, it's, obviously performed really well, so I'm watching it really closely. Eventually, I do want to add Theta. Just I'm going to wait for a little bit to see, where it kind of settles in. My luck is it'll just keep going up. My luck is it'll get back to all-time highs, which is up over $15 or so. So love it. Want to add it. Just for me, I'm in that waiting/watching period, and but I will let you know on stream when I do jump in on that. 30 mil, nice. Ricky's got 17. BCY, how you doing, man? 53 million, nice. Detox Pena's got 350 mil. Second time watching this channel. Chris, welcome back. Enjoy the information. Standing on 40 mil SHIB. Nice. You've got 10 mil more than I do, brother. Welcome back, Chris. Appreciate you stopping back. Guys, it really does mean a lot when you come here more than once. That tells me that you're enjoying the community. That really means a lot. So if you're a first-time listener, make sure you subscribe. Hopefully you're getting some value here already. But we've got a really nice community. Not only do I hopefully spread some knowledge to you along the way, but a lot of other people in chat are very informed and also add a lot of really positive content. So that's kind of what we're all about here. If you want to be part of that, hit that subscribe button, like up the stream, and welcome. Richard Scott holding $4 billion is none for sale. Taking it with everyone to the moon. There you go, Richard. Welcome back to the stream, brother. Danny Ali, Supermoon. Okay, we'll take a look at Supermoon. It's early on in the stream, so we'll take a look at Supermoon for you. Let's see. I did want to take a lot of questions tonight. Supermoon. So this has got to be one of the meme coins, right? Supermoon. Okay. Subbed and like. Thanks, Finga. Appreciate that. Anyone think the anonymous video will make Elon shut up about crypto for a while? Doubt it. Doubt it, Anthony. Richard, love your channel. Appreciate those kind words, Richard. You're the man. Supermoon. Okay. What happened here? Safe Moon. What is this? Subbed and like. Romy Manuel. Thank you. Appreciate that. Any word on Robinhood and Coinbase yet? I signed both petitions. Nothing imminent, Michael. Of course, Robinhood I think is perhaps more imminent than Coinbase. At least Robinhood support has answered a few people's questions along the way on Twitter about it. I think they would be the natural fit, in my opinion. I don't think Coinbase would be the natural fit for SHIB. I think a really big push needs to be toward Robinhood over Coinbase, in my opinion. It just seems right. It fits their kind of MO. So that's just my 2 cents. Okay, so this is definitely a meme coin, right? We aim to show the world that a strong community can take an altcoin from obscurity to becoming a global force. Okay. There's going to be no really, technical information here, okay? Just in terms of, okay, there's 10% tax on each, okay. Can create a continuously rising price floor. What's in the roadmap? Okay, so they've got an NFT marketplace going. We're looking at Supermoon here, OSM. Payments app, merch store, okay. Really, I look at these things and like, if one of these, meme tokens, and maybe it's SHIB, hopefully it's SHIB, can capture the NFT place, that marketplace is just getting started. So if SHIB or one of these, whether it be SafeMoon or Supermoon or Shiba Inu or Kishu Inu, right? Whoever I think can really jump into that NFT space and hit it out of the park really could separate themselves as becoming like perhaps the second really well-known meme coin. In terms of market cap, Shiba Inu has obviously been higher than anything not Doge, right? But, the verdict's still out on a lot of these. But the reason why I went with SHIB, just to kind of give you a whole, I guess, go full circle with it, SHIB's, jumped onto the top 20 in market cap. That's what drew my attention to it. Once it broke the top 20, shoot, it didn't even have to get that high. Breaking the top 100 is massive, right? I was a little late to the party. That's why I jumped in on that. And I was already invested in Doge before, so, I don't like to reach too deep in the bag when it comes into when these community meme-based coins, because you could get lost in so many of these, and then I think you get into the point where you're kind of over-diversified, right? Where you're in so many assets, but you don't have a lot of any one or the other, and you don't have a lot of stability really either too. So I'm all in on diversifying, but for me, I only have 2 meme-based coins in the portfolio. Okay. Other than that, I've got I've got my Ethereum, Polygon, and Cardano, right? Those types of assets for the long term. So. But to answer your question on SafeMoon, it is down off the highs. I'll give you that. Or it's down. Did this just come out today, or how new is this? I guess it perhaps did. Huh? Let's see. Yeah. Pretty much, right? It's really new. But yeah, it is down off the highs, but that's all I can say. Let's see. Anywhere on, okay, got that. Down big on both on Kishu and Akita. Yeah, man, it's tough. That's why I just didn't chase them. We were on stream quite a bit, and everybody was like, are you getting into Kishu? Are you getting into Akitu? I said, no, it's not for me. I'm not going to say don't do it. You could certainly make a quick buck on there and flip a little bit of change on there for sure, but it's just not in my game. I just don't like to play it like that. When I got SHIB, I was holding it. I saw something that reached that high on the market cap. I'll take a chance on that. Okay, so that's kind of that was my philosophy from the get go. And Dogecoin, obviously, it's been on the radar for a while, right? So, guys, if you guys can smash the like button, welcome in if you're new. If you're getting some value here already, definitely smash the like button. That helps us out a ton, really does. So. Appreciate all the new subscribers already too. A few of you have already mentioned you've subscribed to the channel. Appreciate that. We're just trying to learn from each other here. Constant growth is the motto. So that's kind of the community we're trying to build. And there's times in here where I'm learning a ton. I'm always learning from you guys in chat too. So that's the kind of community we're building. It's all about constant growth in our portfolios and in life. So let's look at VeChain. Okay, man, Vith, I got you. Let's look at VeChain. The good old VeChain. We looked at this earlier on the live stream too, but we'll take another look. Take a look at VeChain. Let me take a look at the live chart here on SHIB real quick, just to be Okay. Bouncing off. What do we get down to on this here in the low point? 8.4. Okay. We bounced off it. I mean, it's really in that consolidation period, you see. I mean, go to the 30-day, look at this. I mean, since the 20th, 21st, it's just pretty flat, which I'm okay. I'm okay with that. All right, so let's pop over to VeChain. Let's see. And Polygon, yeah, we can get there next, no problem. Mo Salah, should we buy Matic at 155 or is it going to dip? Chances are it'll probably dip at some point lower than 155. However, to open up a position at 155 isn't terrible. It's not a terrible decision by any means if you're planning on holding it for the long term, Mo. Right? Now, if it's something you're trying to flip and make a quick buck on in the next 3 months, next 4 months, I just watch it closely because there is a chance it could probably at least skate down to like the 120 range. But again, if you're holding this for the long term, we just saw it under $1. Now, will it get back under $1? Probably at some point. I just don't know when that'll be. Right? You can't time the market, so that's why you got to look at things. Or I shouldn't say you have to. What I want to say is the reason why I look at things in the long term is because it simplifies it for me. It makes it a little bit easier to click the buy button when I know that I'm going to be holding for a while. Okay. Now, of course, if I can get it at a very low price, certainly, right? Like I'm doing with THETA right now. I'm watching it for the next few weeks because I know it was just at 650, right? Because I've been watching it closely. Polygon is down a little bit right now. I wouldn't be shocked if it popped back up, but I also wouldn't be shocked if it dropped a little bit further down. So, I mean, if I were you, I would just be in that watching period right now of Polygon after this correction, just to kind of see what other altcoins are going to do. Here's the thing with Polygon, and then we'll get to VeChain, I promise. Here's the thing with Polygon, though. If Ethereum starts surging up, you're probably going to see Polygon follow. Okay, now Ethereum's been kind of running flat, pretty recently, right? But the minute Ethereum runs up, and Bitcoin, the minute Ethereum and Bitcoin runs up, usually the big altcoins run up too. So your Cardanos usually run up with it. Your Polygons usually run up with it. Okay, so Link usually runs up with it. So you'll see a lot of the altcoins run up with, once it gets bullish for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, and a lot of the similar trends follow when those things are doing poorly. Okay. So with VeChain, Sarah Thornton, how you doing? 30 mil, nice. That's how much I have too. Okay, VeChain. So there you go, Ann. Gave you a little bit of Polygon. And Mo Salah, I gave you a little bit of Polygon there too. You knew how to get me off track by throwing Polygon in there, huh? You knew that would throw a wrench in my VeChain. Look at VeChain here. So the 7-day, it's climbed up out of the basement here. It was down to 10 cents, actually, in the 7-day, which is pretty interesting. Now we take a look at the 1 month. This thing was way down, right in here. It got down under 10 cents on the 23rd was its low point. So it's forming this nice little V-shaped recovery, though. Slow V-shaped recovery here for VeChain. I do think, what's the all-time high here? 26, I think. I think it's 26 cents. Is that right? 27. Okay. All-time high was set back in April, 27 cents. I do think we're going to set all-time highs one more time again here for VeChain this year. If not, we're going to get really close to all-time highs. So if you're looking at VeChain right now at 12 cents, I do think this is a pretty good opportunity here on VeChain. It's consolidating here for a while after the crash. Hasn't really moved up from here. I do think a price move is imminent here for VeChain throughout this. If you're going to hold this at least until the end of the year. I mean, I'm holding it past then for me. But if you wanted to hold this to the end of the year and make a little bit of a profit on VeChain, I think you could do that, in my opinion. Again, not financial advice here. But I do think we see a VeChain get up to, I'll say at least back up to this 20-cent range, okay, like we saw in early May, because I do not think the bull run's over, and I do not think VeChain is going to, get past down in here at 7 cents. I'm in at VeChain, you know, pretty early. I got in at around 5 or 6 cents. So I'm just holding. That's kind of where I am with it. But if you're looking to open up a position, you know, you look up here, you're at 12 cents. All-time high is more than double that, right? So I don't think the bull run's over. It's consolidating nicely here since after it hit that low point on the 23rd. I mean, I don't think it's a terrible time to get in, you know, and it's slowly kind of been going up here since the 29th. So really, you look at the 29th, it was kind of fluctuating. Now we've seen just kind of a nice little steady growth here, actually, over the past week or so, okay? So VeChain's showing some bullish signs right now with the V-shaped recovery, and I think it does set new all-time highs or gets really close to it by the end of the year, okay? Also have a VeChain video out on some really bullish predictions if you're planning on holding VeChain, you know, until like 2030 or even past 2030. There's some really bullish predictions, so. Okay, welcome in everybody that's new. Hector, how you doing, man? Welcome back. Jake Lee, thoughts on XRP? That rhymed. That was kind of sweet. Jake Lee, thoughts on XRP? Okay, so XRP, I do think if everything gets settled with the lawsuit, okay, and they're saying if things get settled here, Ripple could go public. If those things happen, I think XRP could be in for a nice run. I do. I'm not invested in it, but I say not yet because I am watching it closely. I want to see when everything settles, where everything shakes out with the lawsuits and things like that. And I do think if everything is okay then on that front, which it's looking like that right now, if everything shakes out there, I do think XRP could run up to, you know, $2.50. I do. So we look at XRP. Let's take a look at it real quick. It's actually under $1 right now, which, you know, it actually had some security there at $1 for quite a while. However, we're below that right now. So, okay, so all-time highs were way back in what, 2018, I believe, for XRP. Let's see. Yeah, January of 2018, all-time highs, $3.84, okay? $3.84. Okay. 52-week high in the last year, it's got up to 196. I do think we could see 52-week highs, okay? I like that number. I do think we can get back to that and perhaps even break it. So, you know, we take a look at XRP. It did actually run up. When was that? Back in April, right? Yeah, April it ran up to like 170, I think. What is it in the last 30? Yeah, 170 exactly. In the last month, it got up there to 170. So, that was actually, oh, was that May? No, I think it was April. Anyways, but yeah, I think, you know, if things shake out, let's go a little tighter here. Let's see. Okay, here's the 1 month. So here's the low point, 23rd. Before that, where were we? We were actually up in here, right? May 18th, right before the crash. I mean, it hit $1.70. So, you know, I mean, it's still recovering off the big sell-off here, the big crash. Okay, so but it's doing a nice job of that. So it's kind of just, you know, slowly, not a V-shaped recovery here, but you know, a nice steady recovery. It started to form a V-shape and then it crashed, but you know, setting better lows here. So I do think this is going to run up over $1 here soon, for sure. Here in the short term, it gets up back to $1. You know, right in this range would, you know, $1.15, $1.17, $1.14. I do think it gets back in there, and then I think later this year, if everything shakes out okay, I think it could see. You know, $2.50. So there's definitely, I think, some money to be had. I know there's a lot of XRP bulls. I'm not one of them yet, but watching it closely. So, Chris Coffee, how many coins do you own of VeChain? To be honest with you, I don't even know. It's not one of my biggest holdings. I think at the time I put $1,000 in it. That's what I put in it. Now, how much that got me, I don't know. Somebody could probably do the math on that. I put $1,000 in, and it was say it was 6 cents. So I was never a math wizard. Somebody could probably do that, but I put $1,000 in back in January. What else? And pattern. Thank you. No problem, man. Thank you for coming back to the stream. Appreciate you. Appreciate you so much. John Suro, wonder if Sheeb will at least hit a penny this year. John Suro, probably not this year, bro. I mean, that's going to be really tough, okay? For Sheeb to hit a penny this year would be super tough. Now, what I'm hoping for is we get back up into this range for Sheeb. I would love us to get back up into, where it was, the 10th of May. Up in this 31 range. I think all-time high was, 38, something like that. So I would love to see that personally. So I think that would be a win. So, again, Rome wasn't built in a day, okay? Nothing great is ever, something that happens quick. It's usually something that happens over time, okay? So keep that in mind, and, of course, I can't tell you how to invest. I mean, you can win, swing trading, okay? You can win that way, and you could win, day trading. You could do that, okay? But it's not my strategy, so I'm not going to sit here and say for you to do that, because I kind of disagree with that, okay? But I understand that it's a strategy, and it's a way. It's a way to go with it. So just keep that in mind, though, that understand what your strategy is, understand what your exit strategy is. You should be thinking about those things every time you make an investment, okay? 0.001 this year. Now, Michael, that's a little bit more feasible. I believe going to take at least 3 to 5 years for close to 0.01. Yeah, I think so too. I think so too. Crypto mining noob, what's up? Everyone needs to look into the Captain token. 100% rug pull free. Has high potential for the future. Okay. All right, crypto mining noob. What's up, man? Welcome back to the stream. Jake Lee, thanks, man. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, Jake. Appreciate it, man. Solana's going to be great. Marcus Friday. Yeah, Solana, a lot of people super bullish on Solana. I don't have anything invested in Solana right now, but I agree. Solana's really growing out a nice ecosystem. They're really kind of doing it within, too. So they're doing a great job, and they've been running up like crazy over the last 7 days. So Solana's been on a tear. If we take a look at the 7-day, right up there with Theta Fuel, they're the two biggest winners in the 7-day, along with the Dow token, curved Dow token here. How about Theta, though, and Theta Fuel, two big winners? I mean, this is why I'm not buying in right now, because they're coming off this, great week. So hopefully, it's crazy. You hear this and you're like, what do you mean? You want this? You want them to do poorly? Yeah, in the short term, I do, because I'm not invested in them yet. So, I would love for Theta Fuel and Theta to hit a wall like this upcoming week and crash another, crash 40%. I would love that, because I'd be hopping in and opening up my positions. Okay, that's kind of what I'm waiting for right now with Theta Fuel and Theta. But yeah, Solana too. Solana's got a lot of great things going for it. Call it 11.5 billion market cap, 15th right now on the list. It's surely part of the future of crypto too. So they've got a lot of things figured out. I just sometimes you can't invest in everything. Again, I always talk about over diversification, and it's just one of those ones where I haven't got to yet, because it's also one I would want to add a nice position in, right? So, Nate Eberhardt, how you doing? Any thoughts on Harmony, one or reserve rights? Yeah, we've talked about Harmony on stream a little bit before. Harmony. Talk about this one? Harmony coin? Or which one? Or, Harmony 1, this one, huh? Right, yeah, 80th ranked. Okay, yeah. This is the one you're probably talking about, I'm guessing. Gotcha. Yeah, so we have talked about this one other time. So I got to refresh my memory here and see what this is about. Harmony is expected to introduce cross-shard contracts, cross-chain infrastructure. Okay. Oh, this is like the quick blocking, creating blocks, right? So the network aims to innovate the way decentralized applications work by focusing on random state sharding, which I don't really understand, but thank God they give this description, which allows creating blocks in seconds, which is cool because transaction times are an issue. Okay. Gotcha. What else do we got? They don't really have anything. Okay. Has a maximum supply, 12.6 billion. And they're almost there, right? That's kind of interesting. Just looking at the supply and demand breakdown there. So eventually they're going to be all taken up, right? Okay. They're also looking to boost staking incentives to attract more node operators. The Harmony Open Staking Initiative encourages interaction with the network and incentivizes stakeholders with the highest amount of 1 tokens. Okay, which that's all about staking, incentivizing the stakeholders themselves instead of the miners, right? Staking versus mining, Bitcoin versus Ethereum 2.0. Unlike proof of work, EPOS is designed for faster processing times and improved scalability. 2 big issues, right? While PAL requires a lot of electrical and computing power because they're trying to solve that, quick, well, not quick, but that very exhaustive algorithm or equation, staking consensus methods rely on an abundance of value holders who become validators. Okay. Okay, so we know a little bit about what the heck this is. So, take a look at the 7-day. How's everybody doing out there? Anybody new joining the stream, make sure you smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, especially if you're enjoying what you're hearing or listening to, or both. So 7-day, we got down, okay, that's June 4th. When was the, I guess we got to go out to a month to see when the crash was. How low did it go? How low can you go? Okay, was it 6? Got down to 5 cents. How about that? 5 cents. But recovering pretty nicely, consolidating. A lot of these coins are now just consolidating after the crash, Interesting, though. I like the limited supply, Nate. I like the limited supply on this, and I like what their project is aiming towards. It is a top 100. I don't think it's a bad option. I think this is a pretty good one to take a look at. Harmony 1. I like it. I like it, Nate. Thanks for dropping this one on our heads here. I like this one. Somebody else mentioned this before, and I remember looking at it briefly, but yeah, it's good. I mean, you got to look at things a few times, probably more than a few times, really, to get a feel for, there's so many. I mean, there's over 10,000 of these cryptos, right? So, yeah, it's good to look at things more than once. Rasmus, what's up? Hi, how you doing? Welcome. Welcome. All right, so let's look at Polygon, because I did say I was going to look at that, and I totally forgot. I got caught up. I think I talked about Polygon, but I never pulled it up. Okay, so it's coming back up a little bit today. That's good to see. Polygon ranks 16, one of my favorites. Currently my second largest holding, right next to Ethereum. So, big fan of Polygon. Okay. Let's check this out. So this is the big thing to kind of know. It's the Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project seeks to stimulate mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by resolving the problems of scalability on many blockchains. Okay, so it effectively transforms Ethereum into a full-fledged multi-chain system, aka the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is akin to other ones, such as Polkadot, which is probably Polygon's, well, one of their biggest competitors, I guess you could say. Cosmos, I guess another decent-sized competitor. Avalanche, with the advantages of Ethereum security, though, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. So it's a little bit different. So, in terms of what makes it unique, the project doesn't seek to upgrade its current basic blockchain layer. The project focuses on reducing the complexity of scalability and instant blockchain transactions. So it uses a customized version of the Plasma framework, which is built on the proof-of-stake checkpoints that run through the main chain, which is that of Ethereum. This unique technology allows each side chain on Polygon to achieve up to, this is a big one, 65,536 transactions per block, which is pretty solid, especially when you compare it to some of the others. Okay, so okay, so while Polygon currently supports only Ethereum base chain, the network does intend to extend support for additional base chains. So it does have room to grow outside of Ethereum, okay, based on community suggestions and a consensus. This would make Polygon an interoperable, decentralized Layer 2 blockchain platform. So for those of you who say, I've been hearing this recently, well, what happens when Ethereum 2.0 comes out and Ethereum no longer needs Polygon? I don't think it's just that, simple. It's not that, one-sided. It's very multifaceted, right? So one, I don't think we're going to get to that point for a long time because Ethereum 2.0, even when it does roll out, it's still going to be tweaked and altered and made for the better, right? And I think Polygon's going to be a part of that process. And then even if it does get to the point where Polygon just isn't working for Ethereum 2.0 because they got that, big and they just don't need Polygon, what have you, Polygon would probably be helping some other, base chain, get to where Ethereum 2.0 got. So it's their idea that I like more so than anything, and then the fact that it is alongside Ethereum right now. And here, let's face it, okay? Here's another reason why I love it, okay? Okay, here we go. Before moving to its network in 2019, the Polygon team was a huge contributor in the Ethereum ecosystem. The team worked on implementing the Plasma MVP, the Wallet Connect protocol, and the widely used Dagger event notification engine on Ethereum. The team co-founder of Polygon, okay, not Sandeep, but the other guy here, Janti Kanani, a full-stack developer and blockchain engineer, currently serves as the CEO of Polygon. Okay, co-founder and chief operations officer of Polygon, Sandeep Nawal, is a blockchain programmer and entrepreneur. Before jointly started Polygon, formerly Matic, Sandeep had served as the CEO of Scopeweaver and the chief technical officer of Wellspun Group. Here's the other thing about Sandeep. He knows VB, Vitalik Buterin, very well, okay? They're good friends, and that just alone, having all of these connections, right, that the team was very close and they were working in the Ethereum ecosystem, they're obviously working together, right, on a lot of projects still, okay? Speaking of Sandeep Nawal, we're trying to get him on our stream. How about that? What if we had Sandeep Nawal, the co-founder of Polygon, who's also heading up the crypto, oh gosh, I did it again, COVID relief fund in crypto. It was paid in crypto from Vitalik. I always butcher that, but that's okay. So what if we get him on there? We could talk about Polygon. We could talk about Shiba Inu with him. I mean, it would just be so informative. I would love to have him on. That would be fantastic if we can get him on. So if you guys would, if you guys can go and just kind of throw out some bat signals, I guess you could say, try to get Sandeep's attention. Let him know that we want to get on here. So Edwin Murrin, Tesla hacked and held for ransom, shorting this. Interesting. Tesla hack confirmed. Really? Where are you reading that? There was some crypto news I wanted to get to. We will get to that eventually, but let's look up what's going on here that Edwin's talking about. Let's see here. What do you think about Hex Crypto? We'll get there. Jake Lee, what do you think of the future price of Ethereum? 4 to 5 years. 4 to 5 years? Oh, man. Ethereum's going to look really nice. Let's call it 2025, we'll say. In 2025, I think Ethereum definitely gets to 10,000. Okay, in my opinion. And I think it could reach 20,000 in the next 5 years. I think it get to 20,000 in the next 5 years. I think in the next 5 years, too, it will surpass Bitcoin in market cap. Okay, so I'm not seeing anything new here on Tesla hack. Edwin, where are you getting this? Where are you getting this information? 2.0 will never get here. Really? We'll see. We'll see. What makes you believe it won't? I'm staking my ETH because I do believe Ethereum 2.0 will be here, and Ethereum will be even better with Ethereum 2.0. So, in terms of this, I have no idea what's going on here. Maybe I'm missing something. Yeah, I did see this. Okay, what happened here? So, futurism. Okay, now there's any almost. You may think you're a smartest person in the room, but now you have made a match. Okay, let's get this out of here. Group released a video threatening a Tesla for his alleged manipulation of crypto markets. See current. Okay, let's see. The anonymous posed the fearful presence of the internet's collective psyche. Those days are mostly gone. In fact, many of their recent threats have since fallen flat. So we'll see, right? We'll have to see. I doubt. I don't know. I try not to focus on this stuff too much because really it doesn't have a lot to do with us. I mean, really, I mean, what can you do? I mean, what we can do is, try to stay up to date on the news and information. Here's the thing. I think overall, though, if I had to say, is it good or bad that Elon's talking about crypto? I think it's an overall net positive. Okay? I know some people are kind of nitpicky and say that he's ruining and depleting. Okay, but I'm not worried about the prices in a week or two and what they, you know what I mean? So I think it's a net positive if you're a long-term investor. You know what I mean? I don't think he's the only reason why we're seeing short-term volatility either right now. Sure, it's a factor, right? But I mean, we're just coming out of, there's a lot of other things going on, right? Coming out of a global pandemic where a lot of economies are trying to get back up and running, and we're there for a lot of parts of the world. There's supply chain issues, right? Because people weren't able to be working and in the factories. So there's so many things happening, right? It's not just this isolated incident, an isolated Elon tweet. For as big as it is, it surely has an influence, right, on the entire market, no doubt. I don't want to downplay that. But it's not the only thing going on, okay? There's other things going on, for sure. All right, so, sorry, we just kind of went on my soapbox there for a minute. What else do we got? So, yeah, Jake, Ethereum, I like 20K, man, in 5 years. I think that can happen. Red Rhino, what do you think about Hex Crypto? We'll take a look at Hex in a minute. Let me pull that up so I don't forget. So, Hex Crypto. Rated 201. We'll take a look at that. I'm interested in that, actually. What I wanted to show is kind of go through some of these polls, though. These are pretty interesting. I just want to go through these real quick. I spent it on VeChain. Yeah, okay, all right. So there you go, WorkZay. You have $1,000 to spend on one asset. Which one are you going with? I don't know if you guys voted yet on this, but obviously everybody going in on Shiba Inu. That's awesome. Love to see it, but let me like that too. Interesting, like Doge was only 5% out of 1,000 people who voted. VET, really low at 3%. So here's another one. What's the chance of Ethereum overtaking Bitcoin in market cap in the next 5 years? This was really tight, but most people say 100% chance. Almost 1.5, so 1.4K votes on this one. 75% chance and 25% chance were the lowest. Then people said 50% chance. That was kind of high up on the thing. Won't happen was 21%, which I thought was interesting. That was interesting. Over time, that is due to the India charity. Yes, Nate. If you're referring, I think Polygon and Shiba Inu very well may be intertwined, and I'll raise the price, so bro. It could. Sandeep is definitely the co-founder of Polygon, and he was gifted Shiba Inu. I mean, so there's that connection we know of. Now, can we extrapolate from there? Sure, but how much do we really know? Now, we do know Sandeep and Vitalik know each other, and we know that a connection with Ethereum, right? And we know a bunch of people who worked at Polygon worked at Ethereum and helped them scale, right? So people ask, well, why is Polygon right there next to your Ethereum with how much money you have invested? That's why, because I think the two are interconnected, and I think they are going to work together to eventually eclipse Bitcoin in market cap. Ethereum will, but I think Polygon will help them do that. So, Pokey Nuts, what's going on? Shiba Whale right here. Nice, bro. Nice. What else do we got? Oh, I asked if you guys liked the video box on the live stream. Well, I mean, we'll have to. A lot of people said no, so I did without it. A lot of people were like, no. 23% were like, no, we don't want to see your face. But most of you did say yes, 51%. And then I threw this one in there. 26% did say, I'll let you know after I watch it. Shameless plug. That's why I only got 240 votes, but what are you going to do? I answered this one. Describe your YouTube channel in 3 words. Build a community. That's what we're trying to do. You guys can help us build that community. This is like an infomercial. You guys can help us build that community by liking up the stream and subscribing. All right, so you got a $10,000. Let me know in chat here. Let me know in chat what you think. Which stock are you going all in on? Okay, on the stock side of things. You got 10 grand. Where are you going? Tesla, Apple. It's got to be one of these. AMC, GME, or Coinbase. Now, a lot of people said AMC, but Coinbase, 28%. I thought that was interesting. Tesla was 3rd. GME getting no love here. What do you guys think about that? You have 10K. Which stock are you going all in on right now? What else do we got? I have way more SHIB than I need. VeChain has a come up. It's been overdue. I agree. And VeChain's forming a nice V-shaped recovery right now. So I like VeChain. I think VeChain is going to get back to all-time highs. It's at 12 cents right now. I do think it gets up to, that 25-cent level again this year. I do think it has a nice run in it. So, if you're looking at it from that perspective in the short term, okay. Long term, I think it's even more of a toss-up. But let's go. I just noticed I'm on my old account. Pokey Nuts, that's all right, man. Tesla, 100%. Think about it. World changing. I agree. I would go Tesla here. That's my vote. I don't know if I voted. I don't think I can, huh? I can't like it, though. AMC and GME, pump target, so I don't know, actually. Yeah. Anderson, what's up? What's happening? Fix It Solo says AMC. All right. When will Ethereum break 10K? This was an interesting one, too. I threw out 6 days ago. Got a lot of votes on this one, almost 2K votes. So, 57% combined, or I'm sorry, 67% of the vote combined says it'll happen either in 2021 or 2022. 67%. That's interesting. What do you guys think? Will it be 2021 or any of those dates up until 2025? When will Ethereum break 10K? Drop that in chat. Would like to hear your thoughts on that. You can go over and vote on these too on the community tab. Will Ethereum hit 20 before Bitcoin hits 100? That's an interesting one, right? Will Ethereum hit 20K before Bitcoin hits 100K? A lot of people say yes. 66% say Ethereum hits 20K before Bitcoin hits 100K. Now this one, I do believe I'd have to say Bitcoin. I would think Bitcoin will hit 100 before Ethereum hits 20. I think. Will Cardano hit $5 by the end of the year? We talked about, well actually no, I didn't release that video yet. So there's a video coming out tomorrow on Cardano. It's actually scheduled to come out tomorrow morning here on the channel. I created this one this afternoon. It's all about the Cardano look ahead toward September, okay? And some big price targets from some really influential people in the space on Cardano here in the next few months. Cardano is going to be one, guys, that I am looking to add to, okay? I'm looking to add to Cardano as well as, you know, open a position in THETA and THETA FUEL and ENJIN. That's the first thing on my list right now is watch Cardano until it gets to the point where you want to buy in, okay? So I don't know when exactly I'll be adding on to my Cardano, but I'm definitely looking to do so because we're primed for a big summer into the fall with September smart contracts coming. So with that being said, which asset will have a higher price by 2030, Cardano or Polygon? That's a good question, huh? Going outside to drink my tea and have a cig. Hopefully I don't come back into a tub. Nice, polka dots. UK has banned ICE cars from 2030 now that other car makers are making electric cars. So, really? Mercedes on their first go beat? Aero Performance. Interesting, Anthony. That's a great insight, man. Crypto Professor, what's up? If it goes to 0.000070, I will get 500 million more. Come on. Okay. I like it. You got a plan. I like it. Which price will Bitcoin hit first 1 week ago? 50K or 30K? This was after it hit 30K. Elon tweets. People don't. Okay, that was just a post. Will Doge hit $1 in 2021? 58% say yes. Pretty interesting. Which crypto asset do you have the highest conviction on looking ahead to 2030? This was interesting. I'm guessing a lot of Shiba Inu fans in here. But ADA, of the ones that people actually voted on, Doge, ADA, ETH, BTC, ADA was the top one. So interesting there. Doesn't Polygon have something to do with ETH and Shiba Swap? Thought I seen that somewhere. Tori, I'm not aware of that, so I can't really speak on it. If it does, I haven't read that directly. It could just be in the rumor mill somewhere too, but don't quote me on that. I'm not 100% sure. It could. It could. A Polygon does run on the Ethereum platform, so there is that connection for sure. XRP is rocketing, really? Is it really? Let's take a look. Hex, we'll take a look at this real quick. What is Hex? And then we'll take a look at XRP. Hex. Rank 201, what is this? XRP running. All right, we'll take a look at it. It uses the Ethereum network for transaction layers. Okay. Distributed to Bitcoin holders a way of a snapshot of the Bitcoin. Interesting. At the end of the, okay, all hex coins, at the first year loans, all hex coins not claimed by Bitcoin holders are distributed to the rest of the hex users who have stakes that are active. Huh. Designed to be a stored value to replace a certificate of deposit as the blockchain counterpart of the financial product used in traditional financial markets. Interesting. Hex is also designed to leverage off the emerging DeFi ecosystem and cryptocurrencies within the Ethereum network. Okay. Huh. I got to look into this more. But right now, this thing is popping. Up 3% right now, but I wouldn't buy in right now because it's way up there. I wouldn't get into this right now. What's the all-time high? Let's see what the heck this is. And Trading volume's up. All-time high, 24 days ago, 8 cents. Okay, we're off that a little bit, but yeah, I would just watch this one from this. I don't know. From what I can tell right here, look, I mean, you know, maybe a good time to get in was during the crash. Okay, but we quickly got back up there with this. Interesting, though, recovery. Nice recovery here. That's a V-shaped recovery there. That's pretty nice on Hex. So I don't know much about this, but this could be a hidden gem. I forget who mentioned this, but thanks for dropping this in. Give some people some homework to go look at Hex a little bit closer, so that's cool. So, Jake G, what's up? Problem for me is I've been buying every dip. Now I'm out of money. I know, man. I know, brother. That's how I am, too. Now I just got to hold. Yeah, I'm with you. I got the same amount of both. Might double down on Cardano if we get a dip. Cardano and Polygon? Nice. Fix it, Sol. I hear you. Fix it, Soto. I hear you. All right, let's go look at this XRP. Anthony says we're rocketing. Where are we at? XRP. Okay, it's up a little bit. I don't know if it's rocketing. Is it? Let's see. Let's look at the 1 day. Let's look at the 1 day and we'll do a trading view here once this loads up. Carl North, what's up, man? I heard El Salvador use Bitcoin as their main currency. Yeah, we talked about that earlier. Oh, it is popping nicely. You guys were right. You're right, Anthony. So, yeah, El Salvador is planning to use Bitcoin. Planning to use Bitcoin as their main currency. How about that? Coming out of Miami this weekend. How crazy is that? It's pretty awesome, right? Pretty cool. Okay, so nice little, nice little breakout here on XRP. We'll watch this for a minute. Look at the 15-minute chart, up over 5%. Is it really? All right, here's the 30-minute. Yeah, there we go. Okay, 30-minute gives us a nice... Now, this is the 1 minute. So we'll watch that a little bit here on XRP. 5% up now. It's still pumping. All right, we'll watch that. Yeah, here we go. Here it goes. Interesting. So we'll keep this live here for a minute here and see what else we see here with XRP. Interesting. Stone 420 waking and baking with the Zach. Man, what's up, bro? What is up? We're talking XRP right now, making some nice headway here. Tori McFarlane, Shiba Swap will run on Polygon, an article says when I searched. Interesting, Tori. Okay, great insight. Appreciate that. Shiba Swap will run on Polygon. All right, you got... I'm going to make a note of that because I will... Actually, I'll go look that up as well, see if I can find the same article. Tori, if you want to, could you tweet that article to me? If you could send me that link, that'd be great, Tori. Just like message it to me or at me here on Twitter. It's at @Z_Humphreys. If you could send me that over, that would be perfect. And then we could just pull that right up on stream. That'd be dope. If not, I'll go and look at it here after we're done looking at XRP for a little while. But I am going to make a note of this. So regardless, I look into this. Shiba Swap will run on Polygon. Okay. Well, if it does, let's go Polygon and let's go Shiba because got them both. Let's go. Smash the like button, guys, if you haven't already. Only 65 likes. We got about 150 people hanging out, so that's dope. Appreciate that. Smash the like button for me. That's all I ask. Let's get up. We can definitely get up to 75 likes, right? Okay, so consolidating a little bit here. Maybe, right? Mike, what's up? Okay, Tori, you sent that over? Perfect. That is perfect. Thank you. Okay, Shiba Inu. will run on Polygon. All right, let's pull this up. Okay. 4 days ago. Oh, Rocket Crypto. Okay. So he does a lot of these videos too. So he's putting out his blog here. So I have seen some of his content. He does a nice job. So appreciate Rocket Crypto. We'll give him a free shout out here. Maybe Rocket Crypto, you guys can, your team can give us a shout out over here. That'd be cool. All part of the community. All right, so let's check this out. It says full disclosure, I'm not a financial advisor. Okay. Daily news and price predictions based on market news. Fundamental analysis based on Shiba Inu, Ethereum, Polygon. Okay. Oh, so Shiba Swap exchange analysis. So he goes into it here. Shiba Swap will run on Polygon. I don't want to watch the actual video, but you can go check out this article here Rocket Crypto puts out. If this is true, that it is running on the Polygon platform, which I haven't seen anything come out from Polygon on this, so I would kind of hold the fence a little bit on this because, you know, this is something Polygon would probably tell us. Here's their official page here. So, yeah, Max Wayne, appreciate that, man. Smash that thumbs up, guys. Would really appreciate that. That helps us out tremendously. Tremendously. Stone, 5:45 a.m. over there. First join of the day with you. Nice, bro. White Widow. Love it, brother. Stone, where are you at again? Crypto movement now is sold. Japan market's just open. Okay, Japan market's just open. Day traders at work. XRP making moves, yeah. Very true. Tori, thanks for sharing that with me. But yeah, going back to that, you know, if it's true, I think Polygon would mention that to us, right? Haven't seen anything yet, so we'll see. Okay, we'll see. But hopefully we'll get that when Shiba Swap comes out, because, you know, I'm hoping they give us a lot more details on how it's all going to work together. So, what's this though? Spencer Noon. Anyone cover? Okay, what if, who's this? Let's tweet at Spencer Noon. Who is Spencer Noon here? Followed by Polygon. How about we do this? We'd like to have you on and talk more about the ecosystem Polygon is building. Interested? We'd like to have you on our YouTube live stream. How about that? We'll ask Spencer Noon, who obviously, let's see, so he's Variant Fund, let's see here. Early stage venture from crypto networks, ownership economy, our network, but in crypto communities with data. Let's subscribe to him, and hopefully he's obviously followed by Polygon, by Justin's son, so he's close to the crypto space. Hopefully we can get him on. That'd be sweet. We're just going to continue to tweet at people until we get some people on our live streams. How about that? Subscribe and like. Steven, thank you. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate it. Paul Patel, what's up? What's your opinion on Life Token? Haven't looked into that one, Paul, but welcome back to the stream, brother. Mike, overall opinion on Shiba Inu. I like it for the long term, man. I like it. I'm holding it. I like it. For the, you know, the risk versus reward, I love it. I love it. Let's see. Yeah, so hopefully we get a response here. That'd be nice, huh? That'd be dope. That'd be really dope. Okay, this is the one piece of news that I thought was interesting. I wanted to bring up. So, kind of related to the people here in the U.S. So, Texas governor signs law creating legal framework for crypto investments. It amends the ADAPT's commercial law to blockchain and digital assets, and defines virtual currency. So, Here's Greg Abbott. Blockchain is a booming industry that Texas needs to be involved in. I just signed a law for Texas to create a master plan for expanding the blockchain industry in Texas. Pretty interesting. So Texas, obviously a huge state. Whoops, I did not want to click off that. So hopes of making it a state magnet for the industry, the way Wyoming has become, and what Miami Mayor Francis Suarez is trying to do with that city as well. Yeah, Wyoming is very crypto-friendly, from my understanding. The new law amends the state's Uniform Commercial Code to better adapt commercial law to blockchain and digital assets, formally defines virtual currencies, and offers individuals and businesses a legal environment for, formally defines a legal environment for crypto investment. Interesting. About 25 states are considering blockchain and or digital asset related measures in their 2021 legislative sessions, according to the National Law Review. That's interesting, right? Very interesting. Okay. I've added 52 million trying to join the army. Nice, Sheeb. Stone, India, Zach. Okay, that's what I thought. Nice, nice, Stone. Welcome in. We have quite a few people from India. That's our second biggest population on the channel. So I appreciate everybody from India out there who follows along to the channel. Very grateful for all of you. Thank you. Don GG almost taught Life Token was a scam. There's a lot of them out there, man. You got to be careful. That's for sure. Okay, here's XRP. Another man. Look at this. Look at this V shape here. Recovery. I guess just V shape pattern. Interesting though. Making some nice runs, up about 5%. So we're taking a look at XRP. This is the 1 minute charts too. Nice, Stone. Right back at you, brother. Flare financed the inclusion of SHIB to its finance. Okay, nice. Target is 10 mil SHIB. Nice, Zippy. There you go, Zippy. How much do you have right now, Zippy? I like saying your name, Zippy. Hey, Zippy. Zippy Bite. What's going on? Francis, how you doing? Wouldn't trade alts / BTC till BTC settles down. Yeah, I hear you. I hear you. A lot of fluctuation right now. A lot of volatility. A lot of volatility. This is pretty interesting with Texas, though. Texas, Wyoming, Miami, they were talking a lot about that. We were talking about that earlier on the live stream this afternoon, how Miami has really fully adopted crypto. Now Texas trying to do that kind of thing statewide. So that'll be interesting to watch. Let's see if there's any updates on the SHIB website. Anything? What if we just scrolled down right now and it was live? Never mind. Refresh. Nothing. Still undergoing security test audits and final updates to prepare for a safe launch. I think we can all recite this this blurb right here in our sleep at this point, huh? So, yeah. When will Shiba Swap be out and launched? That's the big question, right? It's tough. And the digital art ventures that are going to come, with this, I really think this is big. I think for these meme coins too. Speaking of that, actually, Shiba Informer has been. Oh, look at this thing. NFTs. Whoa. Only look at this if your eyes can handle it. If you like the look of this GIF or GIF, smash the like button. If you want me to keep scrolling, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Welcome in, everybody. Silly question. When does the crypto market reset / restart? 8 p.m. That's a really good question, Mike. I don't even have the answer to that. I have no idea. But I always see like, because it really never stops necessarily. Does somebody have that answer? Actually, let's Google it. I have no idea. A lot of people wondering the same thing. No, I mean, I definitely am. Not a silly question at all, Mike, because I have no idea. When does the crypto market reset? It's a really good question. It's just simply 24 hours back from whatever time you're checking. Okay, so it resets whenever you want it to reset. Whatever 24-hour period you want to look at. Okay. So that would be 7 days from the moment you check. They roll, so whatever time frame. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So there you go. Kryptonite says 7 p.m. CST, so that's a little bit more specific. I don't know. This is just Reddit, so what else is there? It's Quora. I've never saw a definitive answer on it. I don't know. I guess just whenever you want it to. So who knows? Joseph Wallace, what's going on in the 24 hours? So what's going on in the 24 hours? I heard something big. Oh, not SHIB related here. This is just when does the crypto market reset? So we kind of dialed it back a minute and just getting philosophical with our thoughts here. When does the crypto market reset? I don't know. That's a good question. When does it reset? Right after we looked at this spooky NFT that's pretty tweaky. Look at that thing. Trippy puppers. Only 10 of these minted. Shiba showcase. Shiba stuff. Let's look at this. This is a new Shiba Army artist. Trippy puppies. So there you go. But anyway, I guess just resets whenever you whenever you want to start it. Whenever you want to start the clock. I'm going to take your hey, XRP people, that's not my financial advice, bro. But hey, do what you want. You do you, bro. Amsterdam City and the Het AEX, boys. Nice. There you go. Thought it resets when the New York Stock Exchange opens. That could be true too, Stone. I don't know, actually, to be honest. That's a good question. Oh, look at this. This thing in the minute now, it's rolling back down. Look at that. So XRP saw some nice gains there. Still have some nice gains. But yeah, look at them out of the gates here. There's XRP. Last what? Half hour or so. Big gains. There's XRP. So yeah. Shiba, let's take a look at Shiba. Let's take a closer look at Shiba. Shiba. Okay, we got you. I got you. All right, we got you. Just for fun, pull up the Jeju chart. You will be amazed. Oh gosh. Just for fun, huh? Day trader's gonna pump and dump after making like 3% profit. Yeah. Mighty Shiba. Don GG. What's up, Don? What's up, man? Work Zay. There you go. Anthony, XRP is a little bit like Matic. When it moves, it really moves. Yeah. That is true. Yeah, I agree, Stone. Stone, I might have to make you a mod. I don't have any mods in here. Stone, would you be cool with that? Let me know if you want to be an admin. Evening's great, Zay. How you doing? Work Zay, how you doing, man? I'm having a great one. Always. Cheers. All right, mate. I am making you admin because we don't, or what do you call it? Moderator. Admin, moderator, same thing. There you go, bro. Appreciate you, man. I don't know. Is there like a cap on how many moderators you can have? Is that a thing? Like, does it eventually say like you have too many? Because I think I've like, I don't know, made like 5 or 6 people mods. Is that normal? Somebody let me know. Because I'm like really new to the whole YouTube thing still. I'm like, this is my 4th week doing this, so yeah. All right, so Shiba Inu, let's take a look at a closer look here. 34 in market cap right now, so that's cool. We're going to go into a trading view here and look a little closer. Appreciate you, Stone. Thanks for always jumping on the live streams, supporting the channel. So that's the least I could do, man. Thank you. Now you just gotta run these likes up to 100 though. That's all I need from you, brother. That's all I'm asking. Gotta get these likes up to 100. So then I don't have to annoy people. That's your job. I always feel like it's like such a shameless plug when you're asking for likes, but you know they're so important, man. They help so much with the algorithm. All right, so let's take a look at this. Let's jump in. They're saying they're going to burn Shiba. Really? All right, we'll take a look. Oh, interesting. Look at here in the 1 minute on Shiba. Making some nice runs here. So here we go in the 1 minute on Shiba. We'll keep watching this. Interesting. Stone says, I'm going to make 100 accounts now and smash the like. Oh, man, that's hilarious. They say they're going to burn Shiba, huh? Tori, Polygon solves some of the Ethereum's congestion problems. It sure does. Did somebody ask about that, Tori? It definitely does. Polygon certainly solves a lot of those issues. Scaling issues is the big one. Transaction times. Definitely. KNYTO, dude, all is good, man. No problem. No problem on. Wait, was that you that was kind of spent? Yeah, KNYTO. Yeah, you know, you got excited. You threw 6 Shibas there in a row. That's all good, you know. But Stone's got a point too. Just don't spam the chat too much. I mean, have some fun. I'm happy you're here. Happy you're on the live stream. Appreciate you, bro. We're almost to 100 likes too. So I need 7 more of those hammers. LOL, sorry. No problem, dude. You got a little excited, that's all. Right? He's got a little excited about Shiba. Anthony, I think the run share probably just linked to BTC heading up a little bit. Okay. So what's this stuff now about oh yeah, Josh Finance has been running a live stream for almost 17 days. Yeah, he just runs a continual live stream. That's hilarious. Strictly on Shiba Inu. I think he's running 5 mods. That's crazy. Okay, so I'm up there actually. I'm getting close to a couple of those numbers. I think I got 5 mods. I respect everybody in the industry too. I know a lot of people covering Shiba, which is good. It's good for the community. What else do we got? Shiba Army, yes. We're watching it here. Let's watch it a little closer. GrowBoss has like 45 mods? Okay. I don't want to do too much, but I was just trying to get an idea of like, you know, what's what. Like what's normal, what's not, you know. I think I've got like 4 or 5 though. Stone, you might, I don't even know if there's a way for me to look at like all my mods. I guess there probably is. But that's all good. Okay, so we're looking at the Shiba Inu chart here, taking a close look. So we're just, you know, hovering right around that 8.5 number again. Just can't seem to bounce off that recently, huh? We're just really liking that level right now. Look at yesterday's open and close, 8.4 to 8.5, like hardly any fluctuation, which I think is a good thing. Now the 7-day a little bit more, but not much. 7.7 versus 104. Now the 30-day a lot more fluctuation. Okay, of course we set all-time highs there, but this last week or two, you know, has not fluctuated that much, really, especially this last week or so. And you can see that when you pull out to, you know, Well, probably not easy to do it this way. Sorry, I probably just made your head spin a few times. Sorry about that. But yeah, you can see that on the 30-day chart that we pull up. Oh, here, I had it right here. Yeah, right here. You can see the consolidation here in the 30-day. Okay, that's nice. Most of the times what happens, there's 3 times it's done this. So if we go to the 90-day, and I made a video about this today too, but then it like cut out randomly. I don't know if you guys saw that. Sorry about the technical difficulties on the video. I just decided to post anyway because I thought it was pretty good up to that point. But what I was trying to show on my Shiba Inu update video today was just this. You know, this consolidation, big push up. Consolidation, big push up. Right? Consolidation. Are we about to have a big push up? I think so. Right? I mean, look at that trend. Consolidate, push up. Consolidate, push up. Consolidate, blank. We don't know yet. Hopefully. Mike, that's a good question. Basically, yeah. I mean, basically everything does. Basically everything does. Yeah. I mean, certainly things can run when Bitcoin's not running, but when Bitcoin's running, it definitely helps altcoins too. Okay. Yeah. Appreciate that, Stone. Pond and Matic are both from the same developers. Okay. Gotcha. Matic is really nice, 7% pump. Looks like it's maintaining buying pressure too. Let's take a look at Matic. We'll come back to Sheeb. Sheeb's just hanging in there, that 8.5 range, right? Let's take a look at Poly. 100 likes, congrats, nice, thank you. We got there, we did it. We did it. KNYTO, hopefully you're one of those likes, brother. Appreciate that. We got to 100. Very nice. Very nice. We can get to 110 though. All right, Polygon. Let's see. Uh-oh, Polygon. Running a little bit here. Running a little bit. Polygon making some runs. You were like number 94? Perfect. All right, let's go into the trading view here. Let's hammer it up. Let's go into Polygon. Let's get into Polygon. So, 30-minute. Oh, yeah. Love to see it. Love to see it on Polygon. Yes. Love to see it. We are making some runs. Great call, Anthony. Great call, brother. So here goes Polygon. Now, don't you wish you just would have jumped in at the beginning of this video when it was $1.55 or $1.50, whatever it was. Yeah, $1.55. Yeah. Well, I mean, this is normal though, right? But this is still great to see. Great to see. Oh yeah. So guys, really appreciate everybody. Anybody that's new here, make sure you subscribe. Really appreciate you. Really, this is awesome. Building an awesome community out here. Best way to give back is like and subscribe. At 5,000 subscribers, I am going to do a giveaway. I'm going to be giving somebody one of my favorite books. So hopefully you like it. But it's one of my favorite books that I've read that's kind of helped me in all facets of life. So I want to just send that to somebody random. We'll do a random giveaway when we get to 5K, and the giveaways will only get bigger as we grow the channel. So keep that in mind. Right now, Polygon's price is only getting bigger. It's getting up there. It's looking nice. Oh yeah, making a nice run here, guys. Wow, up over 9% all of a sudden out of nowhere. Look at Polygon. This is beautiful. Is Doggy connected to the Inu tokens? Just Dogecoin? Probably. There's a lot of them out there. A lot of dog tokens out there. We have a very long consolidation time on this one. Yes, Max, I think so too. Well, last time the consolidation period was about 16 days, if I remember correctly. We're pressing up on that right now, but there were some consolidation periods before then that were like 25 days. So, you know, it can last, consolidation can last upwards to a month. And there's no like written rule. It's like, oh, consolidation has to last this long, right? That's just the historical data that we have right now at our disposal, right? What's up, Joshua, in this Shabanites? Nice. Martin, what's up? How you doing, brother? Stonehead Entertainment converted all my BTC to SHIB, mortgage my kids. Where's the Lambo? Oh, jeez. There you go, Stonehead. God bless, man. Godspeed. Tony Shaw, hey, first time seeing you. Good info. Nice, Tony. Appreciate it, man. Thanks for stopping by, man. Hopefully you like and subscribe. You guys can do, we do have super chats and super stickers open too. So if you want to, you know, send one of those out, that's obviously a great way to support the channel as well. So we can continue to do these YouTube streams for free. I don't do any affiliation links yet. I'm all about building a community. That's where my focus is. So hopefully keep it like that for a long time too. Eventually I'll probably do kind of like a Patreon thing, but right now, I'm just focused on growing the community, man. Just like and subscribe. That's the big thing. Thanks, Tony. Appreciate it, man. Deftone, Shiba, and Flare Finance. Nice. That's a new. Is that a new addition? Martin, great. Thanks. Yeah, man. First time caller, long time listener. Nice, Johnny. Nice, Johnny. Welcome in, brother. DYO or DRON. There you go. What's up? What's up? Morning, Code. How you doing, man? Scott Soko, what's up? We're watching Polygon chart here. Morning, Code. Scott, how you doing? All cryptos are on the up. Yeah, I get that feeling if Polygon's running. What's Ethereum doing, guys? Let's go back and take a look here. What's going on? Okay, Bitcoin running up a little bit. Ethereum running up a little bit. What are the big gainers here? Let's take a look. Let's take a look at some big gainers. Big gainers here. Big gainers. Polygon, one of them here in the 24-hour period. Solana. Polygon running more so than a lot of things, though, right now. Algorand up over 5%. XRP running. Telecoin. Okay, so really though, Polygon is one to watch right now. Polygon is definitely one to watch here in the 24-hour period, making a nice run. Interesting. VET looking ready to break out. Okay, interesting. VET. I didn't take a look at VET. Hold on, let's go back and look at VET. What else is anything else up? Okay, Cardano just slightly, not even 1%, sitting at 168 still. So, what else do we got? Mark Jones, thanks for the kind words, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. I do my best, man. I'm learning every day, too, so I don't know everything, that's for sure. But I'm trying to learn a little something every single day. Polygon Matic. It's doing the most right now. That and Solana, right? Of ones in the top 20. VeChain, okay, I see what you mean. VeChain having a nice little push, though. VeChain in the 7-day doing really nice. Theta down a little bit. Okay, interesting. Tron is up about 3%. A lot of things going green here as the markets in Japan open up. Yeah, this is interesting. Polygon's really the one I'm watching closely here, though. Link up a little bit. DOT up 2%. XRP, nice gains, almost 5%. Doge, very marginal gains. Cardano, same thing. Cardano's moving a little bit quicker now. ETH, almost 5%, so I like to see that. Let's take a look at ETH, actually. Let's go a little bit closer in on ETH. Let's see. $2 a.m. in Northern Ireland. Got to call it a night. Okay, Anthony, no problem. Hopefully I wake up to some profits. My portfolio's been depressingly. Hey, man, think long term, and, you know, You can ride out the waves, brother. Have a good night, and see you back here soon, man. Thanks for popping on. Telecoin also on Flare Finance. Nice. Flare Finance getting a lot of shout-outs tonight. Shout out to Flare Finance. Steven, Shiba needs to go up before Elon tweets again. Yeah. That's your favorite? Okay. I think they should spend Elon on social media. I mean, I can help people. I get in, but enough is enough. Yeah, you know, I did mention this earlier, though. I think it's more of a net positive than a net negative, though. Like, him talking about crypto, I think is more of an overall positive than it is an overall negative, if that makes sense. Some people would have differing opinions on that, but I don't know. That's my stance on that. I think overall it's more of a positive. What am I doing here? I'm just hovering on this Ethereum chart because I'm trying to talk and you know, you get it. All right, so 30 min. Okay. More VET next Tuesday. There you go. What happened in Shiba Inu Coin in the future? I think the future is bright. We got to be patient, though, Yadav. We got to be patient. Buying more SHIB and VET. There you go, Mina. Nice. Nice. Yes, every Elon tweet is like getting crypto discount. Yeah, right? Usually when Polygon slows down, Cardano rockets shortly after. Interesting, Peter. Is it Peter or Pieter? Pieter Milan. I like that better. It sounds cooler. Smash the like button, guys, if you're in here. Yeah, no problem. No problem, Yadav. If you're in here and you haven't smashed it, go ahead and hit the like button, please. Go ahead. It's real easy. It's really, you could just, you know, move the chat around for 1 sec, hit the like button. You won't miss anything, I promise. Okay, so Ethereum making some nice moves. Making some nice moves. Let's go in a little bit closer. Okay. So here's the thing with Ethereum. I'm thinking, okay, I think if we get to 3,000, we have yet to been able to push back over 3. If we get to 3,000, I think we got a lot of room to grow quickly. I mean, with Ethereum, we get to 3, I think it's going to be a runaway train upwards. I think we'll run up to 3,500 if we can get to 3. Okay, that'll probably mean that a lot of things are doing well. Okay, we seem to be having some resistance now at that level since we've dropped down. You know, it could also go another way first. I think if we, you know, here's the other thing. If it gets back down under 2K, I'm loading up again on Ethereum. Because I think we get down, if we look at what happened last time, it got below 2K. It wasn't that long ago. What happened? I got in like 1985 when it dipped down there. I was so excited to get in there. It got a little bit lower than that eventually, but I didn't care. It popped right back up to like 2,300, 2,400, like quickly, like really quickly. So, you know, I'm looking to buy it there, and then obviously I'm just going to watch it. If it hits 3, I think we're going to watch it take off a little bit, go up to 3,500. What else do we got? Will SHIB hit the $1? $1? Whew, maybe a long time from now. But 1 cent, still probably a long ways out. I think 1 cent is possible. It is possible. But, you know, for the outlook the rest of this year, I'd like to get back to all-time highs. I think that would be a win. If we get back to all-time highs, okay, just think of this. We burst on the scene with SHIB in May of 2021. If we could flash forward to December, right now, December 2021, if we could flash forward, and SHIB is, let's say, 24th in market cap and just under its all-time high. Would you sign up for that? Would you sign up for that? Would you sign a petition on that? That has 24th in market cap from where it is now and close, like right on the heels of all-time highs as we turn the page into 2022. I would sign up for that. I'd be all in. I would love that. So that's kind of where I'm at, and that's I guess I'm taking that long-term approach with it as well, right? I'm not, not seeing this as a quick pump and dump. I'm seeing this as something I want to hold. So, getting hinge notifications over here. I better turn that off. better put it on Do Not Disturb. So yeah, there you go. How about Shib's leash? Outshine Bitcoin long term. Clem, that's tough. But I do like that it's a finite number. That it is a finite number of actual tokens. So only 100K of leash actually. So that's kind of cool. It's pretty expensive though, from what I hear, huh? I don't own any leash yet. So. Stone, that's a really good point. It took Doge 8 years to reach today. Okay, that's a really good comparison. Okay, however, it was 8 years of really quiet, nobody really talking about it, right? It is a little bit different. So could it take 8 years? Maybe it won't take that long, but you still need to be patient. Okay. Don GG. That's hilarious. HODL coin is great. It earns you my new favorite. Johnny Crypto, man. You've been talking about HODL. A lot of you guys have. Team HODL. Don GG. All right, let's look at it. Is it on coin market cap? So what the heck is this thing about? Is it on coin market cap? HODL. Okay, I guess it is. This is it, huh? HODL. So here we go. Wow, hit some. Okay. Earn BNB every day. Okay. It does this by applying a 10% tax. Okay, so it has a 10% tax. That's how you're able to get these rewards. 4% goes to BNB reward pool. 4% to liquidity, 2% is distributed among the holders. Okay. Community-driven DeFi project built on the Binance Smart Chain works on an autonomous, frictionless yield farming and liquidity generation protocol. Simply hold HODL tokens in your wallet and you will get more. In addition to this, you will also earn daily rewards in BNB. That's pretty cool. So it's kind of like a stable coin in a way. That's interesting. I like the DAI stablecoin because eventually you might have to switch that over to Ethereum, they say. So that's why I like the DAI stablecoin. I bought into HODL a few days ago. There you go, Taddy. Okay, this is interesting. I'll have to take a look at this. So where are you getting your HODL tokens? Where's the best place to get hold BNB on Binance? So I guess Binance, huh? Johnny Crypto got 500 different ones. That's crazy, bro. How does your head not explode with all those things you're following and watching? And oh man, that's got to be crazy, man. I don't own HODL. Okay. No, I don't own that. All right, done. All right, done. Team HODL. I got you. I got you. I got you. Okay. So there's HODL. Interesting. So it's kind of like the stable coin. So this is the one I like. There's a bunch of these, right? There's Tether and USDC, and I like DAI. This is one I use. So market rank 27. Stable coins a little bit different though in terms of where they are in market cap. Obviously, they're not as much of a competitor to other non-stable coins, right? So this is an Ethereum-based stable coin. This is why I like DAI, okay? Because I love Ethereum, right? So I try to keep it within the ecosystem, if you know what I mean. Okay, so the price of DAI is soft pegged to the US dollar and is collateralized by a mix of other cryptocurrencies that are deposited into smart contract vaults every time new DAI is minted. So when we talk, the organization is managed democratically by the holders of its maker governance tokens, which act similarly to a traditional company's stock. MKR holders can vote on key decisions regarding the development of Maker DAO, Maker Protocol, and DAI with their voting power being proportionate to the amount of maker tokens they own. What makes it unique? Crypto market is notorious for its volatility. Even the largest highly liquid coins, such as Bitcoin, sometimes experience price changes, as we've seen, of 10% or more within a single day. Of course, that's very common. Under these circumstances, traders and investors are naturally predisposed to add safe haven assets to their portfolios, whose stable price might help offset significant market fluctuations. Now, I use it in this case as well, as kind of like you would hold less volatile stocks like an Apple, or even more so like an ETF or things like that, right? Like SPY, right? Like S&P 500. So yeah, I hold it for that reason. But the other reason I hold it is it's a nice place to park your money, earn 2%, earn rewards until you're ready to get your Cardano on sale, or get your Polygon on sale, or whatever it is, right? So couple ways to look at it. So one of these stable coins is DAI, pegged to the assets with a relatively stable value. Another key advantage is not by a private company, but rather by a decentralized autonomous organization. I like this as well. As a result, all instances of issuance and burning of these tokens are managed and publicly recorded by Ethereum-powered self-enforcing smart contracts, making the entire system more transparent and less prone to corruption. Another reason why I use the DAI stablecoin. So, hey, you got to do like your little homework on which stablecoin works for you, but they're not produced via mining like Bitcoin and Ethereum. They're minted, right? And new DAI can be minted by any user via the use of the Maker protocol. So that's the one I like. Yeah. Yeah, yep. What else? What else do we got? Tony Schull, Flare Finance getting all kind of love. Just a website in beta. I do not see exchange there. Yeah, I don't know why people are flooding Flare Finance. I don't know. I don't know what's up with that. Ethereum running up over 5% now. Like to see that. Where is Poly? Solana almost 10%. Polygon 2 up over 9 still. Theta dropping down a little bit. Any big losers right now? So there's the big winners. Polygon and Solana, the big names there on that list. Phantom too, in the top 100, pretty big name, up over 11%. Waves, making some waves right now. How about that? How about the other way? Theta, third biggest loser right now, down a little bit over 2%. I'll be watching this now. I'll be watching this close because, yeah, I want to get me some Theta. Just don't want to buy it right now. Jessica, buy XRP. I might eventually. I might just do that eventually. But right now, I'm not focused on it. The problem is I got to focus in on a couple things while I'm watching them. Right now, Theta is one of them I'm watching. And I definitely want to add to my Cardano. Those are just taking precedence right now over getting into XRP. For me. For me, at least. So... biggest gainers here. Polygon. Let's go back in on Polygon here. Coming up on 10%. Let's do a trading view here again on Polygon. Guys, smash that like button too if you haven't already. If you're getting some value out of this, definitely hit the like button and subscribe. Appreciate everybody stopping out again tonight. 2 live streams. That's 4 hours of my life I'm hanging out with you guys today. So how about that? If you want to give back, just smash the like button for me. That would be fantastic. Let's see this. I enjoy it. I didn't want that to sound like, oh God, I got to spend another 4 hours. No, I love it. It's fun, but definitely smash the like button. It helps out. All right, so 30 minutes. Okay, here we go. Man, look at this. Love it. Polygon. Oh, look at the buying pressure here. Love to see it. Absolutely love to see it. Yeah, this is beautiful. Very nice. Up over 9%. Okay, so we'll continue to watch Poly. Nice price action. 1776. What's up, man? Smashed it. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Welcome to the stream, too, if you're new here. I haven't seen you at least in chat before, so welcome, bro. Welcome. Yeah, man. Johnny, same thing, man. I'm learning from you a lot, actually, in the chat, and a lot of other people, too. So happy you're a part of the community we're building, and glad to have you, brother. Definitely glad to have you. So one more shameless plug. Go talk to Sandeep Nawal. We got to get him on our stream. How cool would that be? Co-founder of Polygon. I know we're just a small-time YouTube channel right now, but hey, it's worth trying, right? We'll keep tweeting at some people and see if we can get some people on. How about that? We'll try our best. We're going to put our best foot forward and see what happens. You know? Yeah, all the small caps skyrocketing. Yeah, it is a nice little surge here for small caps, huh? Definitely. Dogecoin kind of just chilling. Not even up 1% right now. Cardano, a little bit of a gainer. ETH, almost 5%. 1776, thanks for the kind words. Appreciate that, man. Don GG, thank you. Thank you, bro. Gotta love the small caps. Appreciate it, Don. Thank you so much, man. Thanks for the kind words. Appreciate you. Polygon up over 9%. What else do we got? Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu. Man, it's just loving that 8.5 level right now, huh? It's okay. Top 35 market cap. I'm cool with that. We're good. We're good. Terra Luna. We talked about this one earlier today. Luna's one I'm going to start looking into, guys. I like their future outlook and what they're trying to do. Go back and look at the other stream. There's been a couple up there, so we had a little issue today with the audio. So don't watch those first two, which only have like less than 100 views. We were on for almost 2 hours. I think actually right at 2 hours this afternoon. So go back and watch that. We did talk about a bunch of assets in that one too. We talked about Luna in that one. I do remember that. We talked a lot about Theta and Theta Fuel too. We actually talked about H-bar in that one too. I remember that. So yeah, we covered quite a few. Decentraland, went back over that earlier today. I like Mana. That's another one I want to add soon. But it's doing well in the 7-day. Well, not as well as some of these other ones, but still doing nice in the 7-day. I wish I had enough money to add on to Decentraland back during the crash. That was the time to really open up a nice spot. Because you could have got in there right around like 50 cents. So, Don GG, good night. Yeah, I'm going to be heading out here soon too, brother. I'm not far behind you. Thanks for stopping by, man, as always. Appreciate you. Have a great one. Have a good night. Harmony, we hit on that recently. Appreciate that, Don. Donna Swap. Website will be online tomorrow. There you go. There you go, bro. Okay. Anything else? Phantom. Still making some nice moves. 3 o'clock in South Africa calling in tonight. Thanks. Enjoying the channel. Peter Milan. Awesome, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Anchor. This is one that we're going to talk more about eventually, guys. Anchor is one that I've got my eye on. Definitely. So we will talk about Anchor more in the future. It's just been quiet lately. But once it makes a nice little push, and I got to do a little bit more digging too. It's not even $1 billion market cap yet, though. So it is, it's got some room still to grow. I'd like to see this thing, get up over $1 billion, which would take it, somewhere in the top 80 range, right? If it gets up to 1 billion, that's when I like to start really looking at things closely, okay? So a lot of these ENJIN coin, you know, definitely low market cap, but definitely what I'm looking at too right now. Decentraland, same thing. I mean, both of these have, you know, but they're in the billions. 1.3, 1.2, in the top 70 here, 71 at least. So I'd like to see Anchor get back up in that range before we, you know, do a deeper dive on it. Dash is another one I've got to look closer at. I'm making mental notes as I go through this. Luna, I definitely want to look closer after seeing what we saw today with Luna. BitTorrent, we're getting a lot of interesting insight on BitTorrent. That's another one. Algorand, some people have been making some money over at Algorand. Look at that, up almost 25% in the 7-day. That's been a nice gainer for people. Sheeb, of course, we're always doing updates on Sheeb. Aave, it's another one I want to do a little bit more digging on. Monero as well. Tron, we've talked a little bit about it lately, a little bit more so than, you know, I love the idea with Tron, but just implementing it is going to be so difficult. But love the idea, love the idea. Ethereum Classic, not a big fan at all, as you all know. VeChain, love it. Theta, can't wait to open up a spot. Down, well, a little bit over 2% now. Stellar, I read something earlier on our live stream. Was it on our live stream? Yeah, it was on our live stream. From a crypto critic, somebody who's really just against crypto altogether. He picked 2 cryptocurrencies that he really liked moving forward. Now, he's a critic. He's somebody who's against crypto, doesn't really think it's going to go anywhere, still very skeptical about it. His 2 that he picked, though, were Stellar and mostly due with transaction times of Stellar. Stellar and Ethereum were the 2 that the critic picked. So, Don GG, I'm reading your wallet out loud. Nice. Great minds think alike, I guess, right? Great minds think alike. But yes, he did mention Stellar as one of the critics' top 2, Stellar and Ethereum. So. Litecoin, the silver to Bitcoin's gold, right? That's what it's always been known as. Never been into Litecoin, but you know, it's one that it's been there for a long time, so it probably will remain pretty steady. Chainlink, definitely bullish. Polygon, bullish. Solana, probably would be bullish if I, you know, weren't so heavily invested in some other ones around there. Same thing with Uniswap and Polkadot. Just kind of missed the boat because I love Ethereum and Cardano, and then a few other kind of outside there right now. I do think Chainlink will be a top 10 here very soon. You look at how bunched up these market caps are. So Chainlink right now to Bitcoin, like to Internet Computer, like it's 1 billion. Like that's, you know, very minimal in the grand scheme of things. Same thing with like it's run to Uniswap. Now to get up to a stable coin and Polkadot, that's a big run up. But I mean, Chainlink could be number 10 here, like in a week. You know, it wouldn't shock me. Wouldn't shock me. Wouldn't shock me at all. If Chainlink finished like 10th a week from now, wouldn't be shocked. I think it's a top 10 asset long term, Chainlink. XRP running up a little bit, still up over 4%. So there you go for all the XRP holders out there. I know a lot of you are holding XRP. Cardano stuck at that 169. Loves that number, 169. It always seems to be there, 165 to 169. It seems to fluctuate there a lot with Cardano, but up a little bit, up 1%. Ethereum now up over 4.5%. So, okay. The entire market up almost 3%. So that's cool. Interesting. All right, y'all. I think that's it. I think that's pretty good. Hey, De Silva, you just popped in, didn't you? I think we're going to close it down, De Silva. That means you're going to have to go back and check out the rewatch, man. But hey, you got it in enough time to say hello, and I appreciate you coming back. Thank you as always. You're one who's always here too. Appreciate you. Everybody, smash that like button for me, please. On your way out the door, that would mean a lot. Also, subscribe to the channel. We're growing a really nice community, and I thank all of you for helping me do that. So, I got to get some rest here, get some food, and then get some rest, and I'll be back tomorrow. Got a video coming out tomorrow, first thing in the morning. Well, I say first thing, about 9 a.m. tomorrow morning. Another video out on Cardano, okay? On Cardano, why I'm loving Cardano this summer, and goes into a little bit greater detail as you know, what's in store for the Cardano price. Even gives some predictions here for the short term of Cardano too. So be on the lookout for that as well. And appreciate all of you once again. Thank you so much, Che. You're the best, man. Good night and get some sleep. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you for the kind words. See y'all tomorrow, and I'm out. See you in the next one.